So guys, welcome back to another video of Unknown G, second video of our channel. So today we have an update with the carbon fiber parts that came in about last week. I enjoyed the product a lot from Sabon, sorry if I can't pronounce it right. The only thing though I kind of did not like was that there's a little crack in here. I can't really tell that much, it's like a little crack and shit. Right about in there. Honestly, did not like that. But I mean, I don't know if it was a shipping company or if it was them. I called them, they told me it might have been the shipping company, but who knows, you know? Past. I'm getting everything replaced. I'm going back to stock for bits. And then we also got the hood, which is also damaged. We have this right here, I noticed. There's a chip right there on one of the vents, which that must have been from shipping or not shipping. I have no idea, honestly, at this one, like I said. And then we also have this little resin right here, which I am not a big fan of. I don't know what's going on here. There's this little line. It's like I have no idea, man. It's like a scratch, or I have no idea. It looks like resin. I have no idea though. Well, I did not like that either. Contacted Sabon. Gonna get everything replaced. Going back to stock for a bit. Also, as soon as I'm done with all this, maybe a couple months, we'll get some new wheels coming in. Like I said, big plans for the car, big plans for my homie's car too. Hey, we haven't showed it yet though. It's a 2013 GT, or a 5.0 should I say, sorry. And yeah, we'll actually get back to you guys in a bit. We're gonna finish this and we'll be back. So guys, we just got done taking out the trunk. We put like my OEM trunk with a little eBay Doug bill that I got not too long ago. Kind of sad to see the carbon fiber go, but we will be getting new replacements, like I said. We might have a fun project car coming on later on, honestly. And we'll probably be hitting the track here where we live. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So we're currently just coming back from the store. We just want to go buy a saw blade because we want to cut the carbon fiber because we got to cut it, take pictures, and send them to the guys at Sabon. So I get my replacements. I'm honestly been thinking about some other stuff coming in, maybe more carbon fiber parts. That, and then like we said with my homie Hyro, we might have a secret project car coming in and might be hitting the track. It's gonna be cool.
Might be a track, drift, drag build, we'll see.
Yeah, stance,
who knows? Who knows?
Yeah. Anyways guys, we'll catch you later. Yeah. See you guys later. Fuck me! Fuck!
You're hitting the bottom.
That's why I know you. Fuck. All that. What is it hitting?
The floor. Ooh! Watch it, buddy.
Dude, this shit sucks.
You're so close. Come on.
I'm gonna cut.
You're so close. What are we about to do, Eric?
Throw away my favorite shot that came in ever. 70 hours.
It's carbon fiber. Split it in half. No! Alright.
Oh, anyways, it's all fucked up and we cracked it. We did a bunch of shit to it, so it's already fucked up.
It's alright, we'll get a new one in a couple of weeks.
But the hood's coming in maybe next week.
Maybe next week. Here, I can't do it.
Later.
Carbon fiber hood in the trash. That's one.
Bye bye. See you again next week.
There's two. Alright guys, we'll be back with more fire.